In this video, we're going to take a look at Google AdSense and how you can use it to make money online. Okay, so what is Google AdSense and how does it work? So Google AdSense is a program that's run by Google through which website publishers in the Google network of content sites and also YouTube channels, I know this might sound a bit confusing, but I'll break it down in a bit, serve text, images, video, or interactive media advertisements that are targeted to the site content and audience. Now, all of this might sound confusing like I just said, but it basically comes down to selling ad space on your content, and that could be on your website or on your YouTube channel. Now, all of these ads are targeted to the site content and the audience. So all of these ads depend on who's watching your video or who's on your website and what your video or website is about. You will get different ads on a finance website than on a beauty website. Now, all of these ads are administrated, sorted, and maintained by Google, and I'll show you how that works right now. Okay, so once again, Google AdSense is a program that you can use to monetize your content through ads. Now, like I said, you can do this with your YouTube channel and with websites. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you an example on a YouTube channel and also on a website. Okay, so let's start off with the YouTube channel. Now, right now, we're taking a look at my YouTube channel. I'm monetizing my content and I'm doing that through YouTube ads. Now, YouTube is owned by Google, which is why you can monetize your YouTube videos with Google AdSense. Now, in order to do this, you must match the requirements, and those are 1K subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Now, I know this might sound like a huge milestone. However, I just challenge you to start creating content, focus on providing value, and those numbers will come eventually, okay? You're not going to make that much money anyway before hitting these numbers. Like, if you're getting a few hundred views a day, you're probably missing out on just a few dollars per day, maybe $1 or $2 at most. Now, if I go back to YouTube, I'll show you how this works. So because I've linked my YouTube channel with Google AdSense, I'm now able to get ads in front of my videos. If I just click on play, you'll see that this is actually an ad playing on my video. And every single time someone views this ad or clicks on one of these ads, because they're interested in the ad, I earn some money. Now, these are not huge numbers. However, this will add up over time. As you can see right there, I'm getting about 2.6 million views right now every 30 days. And with these views, I can actually make a few $1,000s per month. As of right now, I'm making about $3.5K every single month, which comes down to $120 per day just by using Google AdSense ads on my YouTube videos. Now, you can also use AdSense to monetize your website. Now, for this, I don't believe you need to have requirements. You just need to sign up with your website and they're going to deny or approve you. You don't have to have a certain amount of visitors, if I'm correct. But as you can see right there, I'm on Social Blade, and right here you'll see a ton of ads. So right there you'll see an ad, right there you'll see an ad, right here's an ad. If I scroll down, you're probably going to see more. Right there, another ad. And all of these are display ads. Let's see if we can find more. Okay, so right there, another ad. Right there, another ad. So there are a ton of ads on this website. Now, I'm not sure if Social Blade is using Google AdSense as their ad provider because there are multiple ad networks. However, you can always choose to use Google AdSense. So all you need to do is have these ad spaces in place and link your AdSense account to your website, and Google is pretty much going to do the rest. Okay, so they're going to make sure that ads will appear on your website, and you can then monetize your content by using Google AdSense. Now, all you need to do to sign up for an account is go to Google AdSense and then click on Get Started right here. So once you click on Get Started, they're going to send you over to Google AdSense. You can then put in your URL of your site. So like I said, you can monetize your website and also your YouTube channel. Now, if you want to monetize your YouTube channel, I don't recommend doing it like this. All you need to do is just wait for you and your channel to hit the requirements, and then you can actually get that set up within YouTube itself. They're basically going to link you, and it's going to be all done automatically. Now, right here, you can sign up for an AdSense account, click Save and Continue, and they're then going to approve your AdSense account within 24 hours. And from that point on, you can actually monetize your content. Now, like I said, for YouTube, you do need to fit these requirements, which once again are 1K subscribers and 4K hours of watch time. However, from that point on, like once you hit this and you're approved on the YouTube partner program, you can start putting ads on your videos and you can then make money on YouTube. So that's kind of what Google AdSense is about. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you can leave a like on the video and let me know in the comment section down below if you have any questions. I'll make sure to reply to them, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.